Hey everybody, Greg Tech Gear Junkie here with Jose K6HZR from JerryNet. Welcome, Jose.
How you doing?
Well, we're doing great, man. We're getting ready to hike up this hill, which I've done previously. Did it almost exactly a year ago. This is the Atomic SOTA. That's the actual atomic peak back behind me over there. Loaded up with fun munitions for us to avoid. But today, let me pan the camera around. We're headed up this peak right over here. I did it before, it's not too shabby. 6 points. So we're gonna go do a SOTA activation, get a little exercise. This fine, almost autumn day here on the edge of Albuquerque. So join me, Greg, Tech Gear Junkie, KG5OCW, and Jose, K6HZR. Let's go on this adventure together.
Let's do it.
Cool. All right, we're maybe, what do you think, about a quarter of the way up, lengthwise, Jose?
Quarter of the way, halfway.
Yeah.
We're making good time.
We're looking straight back down at the Albuquerque International Airport down there. And the peaks behind us. I was going to ask Jose, he just drove straight through the day yesterday, 17 hours to get to New Mexico. We appreciate that. How are you enjoying your trip so far?
I'm loving it. I'm really amazed on how much greener New Mexico is than the last time I was out. And actually, since the last video you did on the same summit. It's beautiful, and the breeze today is great.
It's a great day for getting out and activating.
Absolutely.
And hopefully we don't run out of water.
No, we're good. We're good.
We might be minding for a spring up here or something. So. Looking up at the peak here, we're headed right up that guy. We're going to try to find a new route up today. See if we can find one that doesn't have snakes or anything. You might sit on top of that rock right there. That'd be a good place to operate, I think. Let's keep trucking. Here comes Jose. This part, a little steeper than it looked on the ground, wouldn't you say, Jose?
Just a little bit.
We're almost there. All right. Jose is right behind me. Soldiered through it. What do you think, Jose? Easy peasy, huh? All right, we're gonna scout around here, find a place to sit and set up our antenna. Come up over the top. And there you go, ladies and gentlemen. This is the summit.
Today, Greg, I'm running the 26 gauge HQD speaker wire antenna.
Okay.
I have a quick little mod up on the top. You might see that where I used
I'll have to zoom in post-production.
a tie wrap that Jerry KG6HZR has on his one of his sites that I'm using as a strain relief. And I'm also using some insulators off to the end to tie off my 550 paracord. Absolutely. And then the connector I have the PL259 going straight into the back of the radio, so I'm not using any kind of adapter there.
There's a FT-817.
Absolutely.
Very nice.
And it's been working really well. Right now this one has, I think, a little better than a 1.2 to 1 SWR.
I've got mine set up over here. Let me grab this. This is the buddy stick setup, vertical. I got the military whip on top there, and the counterpoise is going off almost due north because it's noon time, right? That makes the most sense. Either side of us. And but the problem with the buddy stick is that, let's put this here, unless you bring an antenna analyzer with you, it tends to vary a whole lot depending on your, so even though I tuned it with the coils and stuff yesterday at my house, I might not be at 1-to-1 SWR right now.
Okay.
And the only way to know would be to bring an analyzer, and I don't want to lug a 3-pound antenna analyzer up here. So, but luckily my radio's got a tuner in it, so I think I'm pretty close. But I bet.
I use a little bit of Kentucky windage myself, as you can see on my setup. Kilo 6 Hotel Zulu radio calling CQ, CQ, CQ for summits on the air. Kilo 6 Hotel Zulu radio calling CQ, CQ, CQ for summits on the air. Does any station copy? Come back.
You got squelch on that? Oh, that's a lot quieter than mine.
I'm hearing somebody. Kilo 6 Hotel Zulu radio calling CQ, CQ, CQ 20 for summits on the air. Does any station copy? Come back.
CQ SOTA, CQ SOTA, CQ SOTA. This is Kilo Golf 5 Oscar Charlie Whiskey. Kilo Germany 5 Oscar Charlie Whiskey. Summits on the air. CQ SOTA, CQ SOTA, CQ SOTA. This is Kilo Germany 5 Oscar Charlie Whiskey. Kilo Golf 5 Oscar Charlie Whiskey. Summits on the air. Whiskey Bravo 7, Uniform Lima Delta, you're 575757. Okay, Roger, Roger, I copy the 47 and thanks for the contact. Do appreciate it. This is CQ SOTA, CQ SOTA, Kilo Golf 5 Oscar Charlie Whiskey, Kilo Germany 5 Oscar Charlie Whiskey. Summits on the air. CQ SOTA, CQ SOTA, CQ. Summits on the air. This is Kilo Germany 5 Oscar Charlie Whiskey, Kilo Germany 5 Oscar Charlie Whiskey. Summits on the air. I see a UFO. You see it, Jose? Look right there. Like a flock of birds or something. You see that?
Yeah.
Right there in the sunlight. Just
Yeah,
what do you reckon that is? CQ SOTA, CQ SOTA, CQ SOTA. This is Kilo Germany 5 Oscar Charlie Whiskey, Kilo Golf 5 Oscar Charlie Whiskey. Summits on the air. Kilo 6 Lima Delta Quebec, you're 555555. Roger, Roger, I copied the 5-2. Thanks for the contact, I do appreciate it. Thank you. CQ SOTA, CQ SOTA, CQ. Summits on the air. This is Kilo Germany 5 Oscar Charlie Whiskey, Kilo Golf 5 Oscar Charlie Whiskey. Summits on the air. November 6 Delta November Mike. You're about a 444444. I got some QSB there. Was it a 34, 34, 34? Roger, roger. Thanks for the contact, 73. CQ Soda, CQ Soda, CQ Soda. This is Kilo Golf 5 Oscar Charlie Whiskey. Kilo Germany 5 Oscar Charlie Whiskey. Summits on the air. November Whiskey 7 Echo. You are 555555. Roger, roger. I copy the 5-3. I do appreciate it. 73s, thank you. CQ Soda, CQ Soda, CQ Summits on the air. This is Kilo Golf 5 Oscar Charlie Whiskey. Kilo Germany 5 Oscar Charlie Whiskey. Summits on the air. Kilo 6 Alpha Romeo Kilo. That seems like a familiar call sign. You're about a 555555. Okay, was
that 55? Was that 55?
Roger, roger. 555555.
Okay, I copy 55. You are about a 2x3. We can barely readable above the noise, but I got you. So congratulations on the activation there, and have fun out there with us. 873 and travel safe, guys.
All right, much appreciated. Yeah, we're up on the hill having a good time. So, yeah, got the 2-3. Copy the 2-3. Thanks very much. Yeah, we're activated now. I'll keep calling, see who's out there. CQ Soda, CQ Soda, CQ Summits on air. This is Kilo Golf 5 Oscar Charlie Whiskey. Kilo Germany 5 Oscar Charlie Whiskey. Summits on air. QSB, QRM, that. Kilo Golf 5 Oscar Charlie Whiskey. This is Kilo Golf 5 Oscar Charlie Whiskey. Summits on the air. Whiskey Bravo 7 Uniform Lima Foxtrot. You're 444444. Okay, roger, roger. Copy the 47 and thanks for the contact. 73s, thank you. CQ Soda, CQ Soda, CQ Summits on the air. This is Kilo Golf 5 Oscar Charlie Whiskey. Kilo Germany 5 Oscar Charlie Whiskey. Summits on the air. This guy is right next to me. CQ Soda, CQ Soda, CQ Summits on the air. This is Kilo Germany 5 Oscar Charlie Whiskey. Kilo Golf 5 Oscar Charlie Whiskey. Summits on the air. CQ Soda, CQ Soda, CQ Summits on the air. This is Kilo Germany 5 Oscar Charlie Whiskey. Summits on the air.
Whiskey 7 Radio Victor. Whiskey 7 Radio Victoria.
Whiskey 7 Radio Victoria. You're 555555.
Okay, QSL to 55. The call is Whiskey 7 Romeo Victor. Whiskey 7 Radio Victoria. You're 5-3. 5-3 in Arizona. Over.
Roger, roger. I copy the 5-3 into Arizona. Whiskey 7 Radio Victor. Thanks for the contact.
Okay, thanks a lot. 73.
73s, thank you. CQ Summits on the air. CQ Summits on the air. This is Kilo Golf 5 Oscar Charlie Whiskey. Kilo Germany 5 Oscar Charlie Whiskey. Summits on the air. That's me. CQ Soda, CQ Soda, CQ Soda. This is Kilo Golf 5 Oscar Charlie Whiskey. Kilo Germany 5 Oscar Charlie Whiskey. Summits on the air. I copy to 2-1. Can you send your call sign again, please? Call sign again. November 7 station. Can you send your call sign again, please? November 7 station. Can you send your call sign again, please? Okay, everybody, we're all done up on the top of this here peak. We got activation on 40. Jose tried on 20, 40, and 17. Didn't have much luck, but I think the band shifted right when I was wrapping mine up. So we've had a good day. Beautiful day up here. Not too hot. And we're going to work our way down now and go find some green chili cheeseburgers. What do you say to that, Jose?
That sounds like a plan.
Let's go do it.